I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make paper tacos. First, gather your materials. You'll need a few sheets of colored paper, perhaps yellow or light brown for the tortilla. Also, grab some scissors, a glue stick, and colorful markers. For extra flair, consider glitter, stickers, or small pieces of craft foam to represent fillings. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the taco shell. Take one sheet of your chosen paper and fold it precisely in half lengthwise. Make sure to press down firmly along the fold to create a nice, sharp crease. This simple fold is crucial as it forms the basic shape of your taco. It's like preparing the perfect tortilla, ready for all the delicious paper fillings. Next, it's time for the fun part, adding the fillings. Use different colored papers to represent your favorite taco ingredients. Cut thin strips of green paper for lettuce, small red squares for tomatoes, and perhaps some shredded yellow paper for cheese. You can even use brown paper for ground meat. Carefully glue these colorful pieces inside your folded taco shell, making it look full and delicious. To finish your paper taco, add any final decorative touches. Use markers to draw on some texture or perhaps a swirl of sauce. For a playful touch, you could even draw a small face or glue on some googly eyes. Your creative paper taco is now complete. You can display it, use it as a prop, or even make a whole platter of them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.